Spotify music keeps pausing or auto-stopping on iPhone? Hi there, this is Eva and here is how to fix Spotify stops playing tracks or auto-pausing on iPhone. To solve this problem, try out the 4 following processes. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Enable autoplay for Spotify. Open Spotify, tap Setting, tap Playback, enable autoplay. Solution 2. Remove caches. Removing caches can often remove your download song, so be mindful of that. Open Spotify, tap Settings, tap Storage, tap Clear Caches. Now confirm the action. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out the Spotify apps, tap Offload, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall the app. Mostly doing these processes, your problem will be solved, but if none of these processes help, try out the last process, reinstall Spotify. You can try deleting the Spotify app from your device and reinstalling it. Press and hold the app icon until it jiggles to delete. Visit the App Store to download and reinstall the app. Thanks for watching.